If I'm fixing it, I'm filming it. Yeah, that's right. Looks like my locking mechanism is broken. So Frank and I are going to show you how to replace that handle, that locking mechanism. This is a Rayomax window, bay window. Going to need some tools, of course, a hammer and drill and a screwdriver. Of course, when it broke, it's broken the locked position. So I can't even open up my bay window. So we definitely have to, well, they sent me some instructions. Really nice people. They sure stand behind their product here. And that's Rayomax. The previous owner got these windows from Edmonton, so it's not that far away. I called them and they shipped that part out to me, expedited it actually, so that was really awesome. And of course they sent me some instructions on how to hack into it. Yeah, just to let you know, I'm not getting paid by them or anything. They just want to pass out a good word how good they are. Okay, so hey Frank, can you get me a coffee? Appreciate that, thanks. Okay. So what happens is, that's a good one. That's what you should see. And here's a bad one. So hard to tell, but that's broken. This should move with that, and it's broken. Of course, it's screwed from behind the window, so you got to actually open up the window to get into it. So yeah, this happened to me about 4 years ago on the other side of the bay window. So again, I phoned them and Rayomax sent me out a replacement handle. So really nice. Actually, it was hand delivered to me all the way from Edmonton. So, and then they sent me some instructions. So I'll let you get a copy of those instructions. So yeah, it says I've got a drill, take a screwdriver, and then a pry bar. Hopefully, if the lock mechanism just doesn't drop down. But well, let's give it a try here. Okay, first things first. I think I'm gonna maybe somehow just tape this along here. Heaven forbid I do something wrong and smash my window. Now, so what do the instructions say? Okay, so we want 9/32. Okay. Use 1/4 inch, just shy of 9/32. A little right there. And then 1 7/16 down from the top. 1 7/16, that's about right here. Okay. So I don't know, center punch it gently. Let's go grab that drill. I'm going to start off with a tiny drill just to get it started. There we go. Now it says to use a 3/8 drill. That's pretty big, isn't it? How about we vacuum that up just so we don't get any filings anywhere. Hold on. Well, there's definitely it. By George, there we go. So yeah, I actually had to get in there and just push down. I got up above the paw and pushed down. So I'm guessing it was kind of this guy right here I had to move up and down. But yeah, wow. That was pretty simple. Yeah, looks like a number 2 Phillips. Okay, let's not heat Alberta here. Okay, I'll be back. I'll grab that.
Number 2 Robertson.
Open up this window again, and 2 screws on the back. Let's put in the good one now. Geez, I have a good one somewhere. Here it is. I think Frank hit it on me on purpose. Okay, let's get this one in there. Now the handle was on this side, so make sure you have it that way again. Okay, so when you take out the arm from here, the whole locking bar will fall down. So obviously it's come out of its groove up there, so you have to reinstall it. You can almost see that it's out of the groove there. So when I put that arm back on, I have to make sure I slide it in there. There you go. So it's sliding back in there. Okay. So now I can put the arm on. Yeah, give it a good test to make sure it's all engaged. It hasn't come out of its groove or its track. Then let's get this on. In the track, it's moving good. Let's close it and lock it. That's a good lock, isn't it? I know, it's almost too tight. But that's the way it's supposed to be for a tight seal when it's minus 35 below out here. Okay, so there you go. That's how you replace a locking mechanism. They call it the multi-point lock for your Rayomax window. Hope you guys found that useful. You can sure help Frank and I if you subscribe and like, and we will get ready for the next project. Good luck!